Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see Redis in Laravel. So in my previous video, I have shown you list, and in that list I've shown you how to set data, get that data. So today we will see add form, and if we are adding, how to update your again set your cache and then get the data and send the data. So let's get started with today's video. So that's the list I have shown you in my previous video. Now let me show you database. So here database, you can see task. So same list is displayed here. So now let me go to create. So here you can see this add form. I'm having just title and description only. So now let me show you code. So in roots you can see create is going to task controller create. So let's go to task controller, and in index function you can see first we are getting from Redis. So, and if that data is not present, we are getting data from database and then setting cache key and then sending to our view. So now let's see create function. So create function, there is nothing, it's just that a view is returned, and in view you can see I'm having one form with same for title and description. That's it. And using Ajax I have submitted this form. So I'll be sharing this code link so you can download and go through it. Now in roots you can see store is going to store function of task controller. So let's go and see. So task controller, you can see I'm just getting all data and I'm creating a new task. That's it. I have not done anything as of now. So let's do this. Now hold this in a variable, let's say result, and check one if condition if result is there and else. So if result is there, we are going to delete the existing task list and we are going to reset again that task list. In the starting of the file, you can see Redis is imported, and so similar way we will be setting our task list. So write Redis, and here let's say write first delete, and we will be calling delete function. So it is del, and after that pass task list. So whichever your key is, so first it will delete. Now let's get the task all task again and reset this. So this will again create this task list key in cache. So now let's return. So write response JSON, and first let's say pass some message, let's say task added, and then write status. So it will be, let's say 200, that everything is proper. So in else similar way we will return. So here write task not added and change status to 400. So now one last thing is pending, that is to add task as UUID. So here UUID pass as string and function is there for UUID. So this will auto generate. So now let's include this string, and now let's go and check in browser. So let's write title Redis tutorial, and let's write description as well, test. Now let's submit, and here you can see title and description is going in payload, and let's see in TP. So here you can see it's added. Now let's go to list. So here you can see new task is added. So that's all in this video. In this video I've shown you how to store, delete and get data in Redis. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.